Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel DG Chemistry by Dr. DG Raut. Now I am going to present topic synthetic studies, characterization and biological evaluation of imidazo-thidiazoles. These are contents of my presentation. It includes introduction to imidazo-thidiazoles, synthesis of imidazo-thidiazoles, characterization, and then biological evaluation of synthesized compounds. In biological evaluation, it includes antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. First of all, introduction to imidazo-thidiazoles. Thidazole is a heterocyclic compound containing two nitrogen atoms and one sulfur atom as a part of aromatic five-membered ring. Thidazole is an important pharmacophore associated with several biological activities. The fusion of an imidazole ring with thidazole nucleus gives rise to class of heterocyclic ring system containing bridgehead nitrogen atom known as imidazo-thidiazoles. Thidiazoles found in nature in four isomeric forms: 1,2,3 thidiazoles, 1,2,4 thidiazoles, 1,2,5 thidiazoles, and 1,3,4 thidiazoles. So this is the basic structure of imidazo-thidiazoles. Synthesis of imidazo-thidiazole derivatives. When appropriately substituted aromatic carboxylic acid is treated with thiosemicarbazide in presence of POCl3 at 70 to 75 degrees centigrade for 2 to 3 hours gives 2-amino 1,3,4 thidiazoles. So whatever formed intermediate 2-amino thidiazoles is treated with appropriately substituted alpha haloketones gives imidazo-thidiazole derivatives 5A to M. So we also use iso and terephthalic acid to obtain bis derivatives of imidazo-thidiazoles under same reaction conditions. This is the compound library, and all these are the mono derivatives of imidazo-thidiazoles. We also prepare these bis derivatives by using isothalic and terephthalic acid. So characterization of this compound is by various techniques. So first, IR. So in case of IR spectrum, disappearance of all functional group itself indicates that there is a formation of imidazo-thidiazoles. And one of the characteristic IR absorption bands appears at 3147 centimeter inverse because of the aromatic CH stretch. So this is the 1H NMR spectrum of 5A compounds. It gives characteristic singlet at 8.132 delta ppm. This is due to the H5 proton of this imidazole ring. This is the C13 NMR spectrum. It gives total number of carbons in this compound. So also it gives characteristic peak at 114 delta ppm because of the sp2 hybridized carbon of imidazole ring. Again, this is the mass spectrum of 5A compound, and this mass of this compound matches with this mass whatever we observed in this mass spectrum. Then biological evaluation. In biological evaluation, we have performed two activities: antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. So what is meant by antioxidant? Antioxidants. Antioxidants are man-made or natural substances that may prevent or delay some types of cell damage. Antioxidants found in many foods including fruits and vegetables. They are also available as a dietary supplement. So here are some examples of antioxidants include beta carotene, lutein, lycopene, selenium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. So in vitro antioxidant activity of imidazo-thidiazoles. So compound coded 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. We have treated for DPPH, nitric oxide, superoxide, and hydrogen peroxide radical scavenging activity by using ascorbic acid as a standard reference. So in case of DPPH radical scavenging activity, what we observe that only compound 70 show the good results while remaining compounds show low activity. In case of nitric oxide radical scavenging activity, all compounds show potential activity as compared to standard ascorbic acid. So in case of superoxide radical scavenging activity, we observed that compound coded 66 and 67 show the potential activity while the remaining compounds show moderate to low superoxide radical scavenging activity. In case of hydrogen peroxide radical scavenging activity, compound coded 69 and 70 show the potential result while the remaining compounds are low active or inactive. So these are the results as compared to the ascorbic acid as a standard reference. So this is the graphical presentation of this result. So in conclusion, the compound coded 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70 were most potent for antioxidant activity, and so these compounds are potential against one or more radical scavenging species. Thus this compound constitute an interesting template for evaluation of new antioxidant agent. Next, anti-inflammatory activity. A drug or substance that reduces inflammation, that is redness, swelling and pain in the body. The anti-inflammatory agents block certain substances in the body that cause inflammation. So one of the important drug in this case is the NSAIDs, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, are medications that reduce inflammation, pain and fever. So causes of inflammation, some pathogens like bacteria, virus or fungi causes inflammation. Also injuries like scrapes, cuts, bee stings, dirts, debris, splinters. So these are the some of the causes of inflammation. So here figure indicates that causes of skin inflammation including heat rash, autoimmune diseases, infection, allergic infection, sun damage. In case of in vitro anti-inflammatory activity of imidazo-thidiazoles, so compound coded 99, 100, 101, 102, 103 and 104. So we tested for anti-inflammatory activity by using diclofenac sodium as a standard reference. So what is the result? So compound coded 99, 102, 103 and 104. So they show good activity while other compounds are inactive as compared to diclofenac sodium. So this is the graphical presentation. So it indicates that the potential activity of these tested compounds. In conclusion, among these, the newly synthesized imidazo-thidiazoles, some compounds were evaluated for their anti-inflammatory activity. The anti-inflammatory activity result reveals that the compound coded 99, 102, 103 and 104 were found to be active as compared to standard diclofenac sodium. Thus, this compound constitutes an important template for evaluation of new anti-inflammatory agent and may be helpful for design of new therapeutic tools. So, distinct advantages: efficient and convenient method we used for synthesis of imidazo-thidiazoles, easy workup and isolation. It requires short time as compared to the reported method. Ambient reaction conditions we use for this synthesis. It follows the various principles of green chemistry, so including atom economy. pH 300 is a benign reaction medium, acts as a solvent as well as supporting catalyst. Excellent yield and purity of the product obtained. POCl3 acts as a cyclizing agent, solvent as well as catalyst in this reaction. Synthesized products having potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. Thank you.